Cheers to all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Just like that, we're in Epcot.
We are, we're in France.
We're in France. We're gonna go over there. Yeah, we both like the Skyliner. It's nice and breezy.
It is nice and cool in there, yeah.
So we're gonna head over there.
Yeah.
And get a crepe.
Why not?
Daisy's over there.
Yeah. Just see her head.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Look at all the Beauty and Beast quiz starting. We just walked into the France Pavilion and it was 0 minutes till the Beauty and the Beast sing-along.
Yeah, so the crepe can wait.
Yeah.
We're doing this first.
Yeah. And it's about to start.
This is a new one for us.
We've never seen this. This used to be the France circle thing and it was terrible.
Yeah. I know we've been here before, but I don't think we've done this.
No, I'm excited.
Yeah, why not?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Beauty and the Beast sing-along. Before we begin, I should like to point out that our story today is a twist on the tale as old as time.
We stopped at the Crêperie de Paris.
But we have, it's nice in here.
Yeah,
really
it's
nice.
nice.
I didn't expect it to be this nice.
And I think I'm going to either have the poulet or the savoyard.
Okay.
What are you thinking?
Yeah, I was going to have a ham egg in that one.
The classic?
Yeah. But I want a sweet one as well.
As well?
I don't know. As a lot.
Especially with, we've got dinner later.
I know. We'll decide in a minute. What have we got?
The savoy has got ham, cheese, and onions and bacon.
It looks lovely.
Yeah, they're just in case you're interested, they're made with buckwheat,
Yes.
so they're gluten-free.
That's good.
Yeah.
Dig in.
I'm gonna make a mess.
That's all right. Good. Chicken, mushrooms,
Cheese.
and cheese. It smells amazing.
John's looks really good.
Yeah.
You just got empty crepe there.
It's good.
So we just ate at the Crêperie.
We did. It was very, very, very nice. I really enjoyed that.
We didn't have a reservation, but they were able to find us a seat.
It wasn't that busy in all
No, it
honesty
wasn't.
inside. They were amazing. The server was great.
Yeah.
They all were. They were really chatty.
Yeah, it was very, very nice.
yeah, it
and the
was really
food was
nice.
really good.
It
And
was very
actually,
tasty, yeah.
Yeah, I'm like surprisingly full.
I am, yeah. I mean, when it was on my list, so it was one on the list that I wanted to try. And when I imagined that I wanted to go there, I thought I was going to have like a
Banana and chocolate
one. But I'm so glad I didn't. It was really, really tasty.
Yeah, it was. And they filled up to-go drinks for us, so.
Yeah, thank you very much. You're awesome. Yeah,
Yeah,
really
but
good.
we're going to catch the Skyliner back to Hollywood Studios now.
We are.
And maybe do the Beauty and the Beast show or
We'll see.
Midway Mania.
We see what wait time's like, and then we'll probably head back maybe to the hotel, chill out a bit before we go to Springs tonight.
Yeah.
Cool.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger.
King of the Skyliner! King of the Skyliner!
They are so awesome.
Yeah.
They are nice.
Ready? This is the bit I don't like, but once it's up, I'm alright, but this like...
That's awesome. I love it.
Yeah,
They
it's
should
fine.
have it at every resort.
Yeah, they should have it in every resort. I like the
It'd be
breeze.
so convenient.
And like it's a nice way to travel.
It is. It's chill.
Especially when you get your own like
Yeah, your pod.
But we're just heading over there
Back to studios.
to studios. and we're gonna do Toy Story Midway Mania,
We are.
and then
Hopefully.
maybe Beauty and the Beast if we catch the, what time is it? 5 o'clock show.
Think so.
If we catch the 5 o'clock show. If not, we're not doing it.
We should be able to.
Maybe. I can see John's car from here. I just can't.
You can do that.
Is it that one there?
That one there behind the white van.
Next to the white van.
Yeah.
Ladies,
This,
gentlemen, and members of the Academy.
Can't
Welcome
move our
to
parking
Disney
like that.
Hollywood
No.
Studios.
Spot on. And you could have been all over there.
All the way back there.
Yeah.
Or all the way over there.
Exactly.
Look
Yeah.
over there.
Yeah.
Right, we're landing now. I have to put you away.
Please return.
Midway Mania had a 60-minute wait.
Yeah, we're not going to wait for that long.
No.
So we came here and said, we're going to see Beauty and the Beast. We like this.
I'm excited.
Yeah, why not? I like this side. So yes, we're going to do this.
Then get a
maybe
drink.
A drink.
And then head out.
Well, food shops and then head out. Yeah.
Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw another log on the fire. Let it burn.
We just watched Beauty and the Beast. It was good.
We did, it was all, I always like that one, it's always great.
Yeah, and it's just started spitting.
Yeah, so you better go in your bag before we get too wet.
And we're gonna head out of the park. We're gonna have a quick drink and then head out of the park.
Yeah, look at food shops and maybe head out, chill out for before dinner. Yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna put you
It's
away.
so good though, I love that show.
Yeah, me too. We're back in the room.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a 20-minute not nap, I think, before dinner, because it's been very humid today. John's been saying it's not that warm. It's been 1,000,000 degrees today.
It's been lovely.
And very humid, and it keeps trying to rain because that's how humid it is.
It's been lovely.
And John's gonna go for a swim.
I'm going to go for a little dip, yeah.
Yeah,
Why not? Just
Just
for
a
half
dip.
an hour or so.
you're just
Come
gonna
back.
dip in and then get out.
Come back, have a shower, get changed, go for din-dins. Yeah, I'm looking forward to Chef Arch.
Yeah, me too, a little bit. Well, I know that John likes it, so.
You liked it as well.
I liked it as well. We're not going to get dessert today because the cake was stupid. Stupid big last time. So we've decided we're going to have a main meal.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to that, what is it called? Like the Candy Cauldron or something.
Well, I'm sure I might not do that. I might go and have a snack going Disney Springs, but you can do that, yeah.
I was going to get like a cupcake or something to bring back to the room.
Yeah. See, I'm not doing cupcakes, but I will find something else.
But they have Rice Krispie treats and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yeah, but that's the plan. So, see you after my not nap. We're showered, changed, ready to go.
How was your nap?
I didn't get a nap.
I reckon she did.
I
My
didn't.
swim was lovely. It was playing Hamilton soundtrack in the swimming pool. It was
That's
amazing.
cool.
Yeah, a couple of Disney songs. They just lit the fire pit as well, so you had that smell going. So now I'm proper hungry.
Yeah.
I'm ready for dinner now.
No, I couldn't drift off because I knew I would have to get up again. You know, like and then it was getting closer and closer and closer.
Yeah.
And then I was like, oh, there's no point now.
But you chilled out, so it's nice.
Yeah, so we just won't have too late of a night tonight, will we?
Right.
We're just driving around trying to find a parking space that John likes. But look at the sky.
It looks amazing.
It's 100% going to rain. Like, guaranteed.
It won't rain. My watch
John's
says-
watch says it's not going to rain. That sky looks like we're all going to go to hell any moment. So, but also, he's decided today is the day to explore the outside car park.
Look,
We're going to the orange car park.
yes we are.
It's indoors.
Just in case it rains.
Yeah.
But it won't, because my watch says it won't.
Right. John's watch has changed its mind.
It
It's
has.
now going to rain in an hour.
But I reckon that'll be seen as well. And there's lightning.
There's lightning. I knew I saw lightning. I said I saw lightning and John didn't believe me, but it just
I've just seen
lightning.
it. Yeah.
I'm a bit scared.
Apocalypse.
Apocalypse. But also fried
And-
chicken first.
And be in the right garage now. No arch. We was here a minute ago, but I was trying to be smart. I want to be a level 2, but
Yeah.
went out instead of going to level 2.
Can we park in it? For Emma and John later when we're lost and it's thundering and raining, we don't know where we are, we don't know where the car is.
Park
It's
that pit just in case we get flooded in.
just because the case of floods. We're on level 4, row 7 and I haven't brought a coat. You can hear it. someone upset Thor. Did you see it? Did you see it? I think it's gonna blow over actually. Right, we're gonna make...
now. There's a lovely jump.
Yeah, we're gonna get to dinner before it rains. But it is literally black behind us.
Oh yeah, we love watching Fun on Lightning.
Yeah.
It's a nightmare.
Me and Louis watch it at home.
Yeah. And there's something about it. I could watch it for hours.
Okay.
Everyone. Ooh.
Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Let's get to Chef Arts before he chucks it down.
Let it burn.
Not sure if you can hear me, so we'll probably talk after. This is fried gator.
And this is biscuit and fried chicken. And one after. I love this place.
Biscuits and fried chicken.
Yeah, I love this place.
Let it burn. Let it burn. Till all that's left is
Space and time, always another show. Wonder where I am, lost without you. Being bodies in your love affair. Two strangers learn about love again.
So it was very, very loud in Chef Arts.
It was, yeah, I liked that though. That was an awesome meal for me.
Yeah, I like we tried some fried gator.
Yeah, that was really nice.
That was good. And then we tried the sliders. We probably could have done without the sliders.
You definitely could have done without it, but they were nice.
And
the
then-
hot sauce was lovely with them.
It was hot.
It was hot. The honey, I think it was honey hot sauce.
Yeah.
So the sliders, so nice.
And then we both had the chicken dinner.
We did.
I had it with mac and cheese and John had it with mashed potato.
And gravy.
Yeah.
Well, your gravy, not our
Your
gravy.
gravy, not our
yeah.
gravy.
Yeah, so nice. Really
There's
nice.
just so much food. If you're gonna eat that, get a starter if you want one, but that's my dinner.
That's Emma's dinner. Near enough all of it. I
Yeah.
ate mine, and I'm so full up now, but
I just couldn't.
I couldn't stop.
It doesn't even look like I've made a dent in
No,
it, and I definitely have.
We've got a couple pieces of chicken, mac and cheese,
And a biscuit.
Yeah, I'm not too keen on the biscuits.
I'm not sure yet, so I'm taking mine home to try again.
Okay, but definitely like a chicken and a mash.
Yeah, we liked it. We missed most of the storm.
We did.
It really thundered while we were in there.
Oh my god, yeah.
The whole thing went.
It shook the building.
Yeah,
it was amazing.
But it is spit in now.
It is.
So I think we're gonna head back, right?
Yeah, might have a walk off our dinner a bit, but yeah, not long. We head back and get an early night maybe.
I'm a bit tired.
Yes.
John wanted us to show you the lights in the car park.
It's pretty awesome, isn't it?
Explain.
So green lights is obviously where there's a space. The red lights where there's no space.
Right.
How awesome is that? And obviously you come down here,
Look there
see how many spaces down each row.
on the sign.
What an awesome parking
We have that in
lot.
England,
Not often, not many places we don't,
but we do have it.
but not many places.
Right.
To take no Kentlands.
I'm very ready for bed.
That was an awesome evening. I really enjoyed that. Yeah, I did like that restaurant. I like Springs.
We popped into the Candy Cauldron, but it made us both feel sick, so
Yeah,
we left.
we went out pretty quick afterwards. Yeah, nothing
Although
to do
it
with the food. The food was amazing in there. Like
Yeah.
the sweets and that, just because we were so full out.
Oh, I definitely would be going back to get
Yeah.
some treats, and I thought maybe we could take some home.
Yeah.
When we go home.
Yeah,
But
not too many because we've got to be being good. We've got to get rid of these Disney pounds.
yeah, but yeah, we drove home. It's still raining a little bit.
Yeah.
John's parked the longest far away indeed. I think like every day this trip, John has picked a parking spot that is further away from the lobby.
It's a little game I like to play every evening. It doesn't play somewhere, but
No,
I play it.
because yesterday when we got back, it was like gone midnight. The sprinklers were on. Everywhere we were walking, we were getting sprinkled on. And then John's like, "Oh, I'll park miles away." And then today we're even further than that. So.
It's a little game I like to play. But
Anywho.
no, awesome day. We've done a lot again. The bit of a storm we had when we was in Chef Arch was mad.
It was scary. It was very loud.
It
so.
was way above us, yeah. It shook the restaurant. But no, Studios was amazing.
We got a lot done in studios
we did,
today, actually.
yeah. I think that's done now, really.
Yeah, the only thing we didn't get to do was the swirling sauces, which John isn't too bothered about because it's swirly.
Yeah.
The Star Wars stuff, but we're not Star Wars fans anyway. And the Toy Story Mania.
Yeah, I think that's it.
But I think maybe when we're in Magic Kingdom, we'll do the Buzz one, and it's really similar. So.
Yeah. We got Epcot tomorrow, I think.
We're gonna do some snacking.
That's the plan.
Well, yeah, snacking around the world.
We've not got any restaurants booked, any lunch booked. The idea is just a snack.
Yeah. We've consistently been doing like between 18 and 20,000 steps.
Well, I don't think
day.
it's bad, if I'm honest. For Disney, I don't think that's bad.
I don't think it's bad, but it is still a lot.
I feel like we're doing Disney right this time because we're using preferred parking and when we take in a car to Springs, we know what level we want to park on to get into your park. I feel like we're doing it right this time.
Yeah.
So I think that is a lot, but it could be a lot more. So I think we're doing it right.
Yeah. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed this vlog. I don't know if it's been chaos or not. It feels like it's been chaos, but we hope you've enjoyed it anyway.
Absolutely.
If you have, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Night.
Bye.
Bye.